Hi, my name is Jana. I studied Global Logistics and Supply Chain Management here at KLU, and I will take care of Eike and Sophie today. After the lecture, Lena will take over for a campus tour.
My expectations for today are to get to know the KLU a little bit better and to see what the lectures are like.
I am also happy to be here, and I'm really excited to get to know the KLU.
Students have very different backgrounds, so they come from different classes and they need to understand how we do our classes at KLU. So we are small, we have interactive classes, and we have lots of discussions in class. And students should understand that on a day like this.
I'm Alena. I'm a current KLU bachelor student in business administration. I'm from Hamburg and I'm in my second semester. I'm waiting for Sophie and Eike. They will come soon, and then we will have a coffee together and talk a little bit about the KLU. I was a student for a day myself, and I think it's the perfect opportunity to really get in touch with the people here, to experience the KLU atmosphere and to see the campus. And that's what I'm going to do now with Sophie and Eike.
Consultation talk with a member of the student recruitment team is always part of the trial day. During this talk, students have the chance to ask all kinds of questions. In general, we talk about the specific study program, the curriculum, ways to finance the studies, or how to find accommodation in Hamburg. It is also a good opportunity for the students to get to know us before they start here at KLU.
For me, this day was totally worth it. We were welcomed by the students, talked about a lot of aspects, and were able to experience everything as firsthand.
I learned a lot. The atmosphere in class was great and very interactive, and we did get a lot of information which we couldn't find online or in a brochure. I would recommend everyone who's interested in studying at the KLU to come here and experience for themselves what it's like to be a KLU student for a day.
Apart from the trial days, there are several other ways to connect with KLU. You can visit one of our open days on campus, book an individual campus tour, or meet us at career fairs or school visits. If you want to get more information, visit our Meet Us page on our website.